Hey YouTube, just want to give you guys a first look at a flashlight that I got off of Amazon the other day. I have personal experience with this light right here from a previous job. I saw it go through all kinds of hell. Hydraulic fluid dropped, rolled on, laid on, dropped again, and it continued working through all that stuff, so I had to have it. So anyway, here's all it comes with. Got the O-rings, got a spare push button, tether, the case itself, durable, well made, slim, I like that. Got the rechargeable lithium ion battery, the charger itself, you got that port, and then that one right there. Got the cable for charging it, and the light itself. It is a PD35 Tactical Fenix Flashlight. It's a very compact size, but a very usable size. It's not chunky, it's not awkward. It's made of some very high-grade aluminum. It's just an overall very well-made flashlight. I have two non-rechargeable lithium-ion batteries in here that this package also came with, so something where if you need to get going right out of the box, just throw those in and get going. If you guys do get this, pay attention to the owner's manual. It tells you how to switch between the different operating modes. There's like a regular mode and a tactical mode, so I'm just going to cycle through the different brightness levels. But yeah, it's good stuff there. So anyway, yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. Very well made flashlight, little on the expensive side. If I remember right, it was like $89 for this package. But I will tell you guys this. I have a cheap flashlight at work with throwaway batteries, and can't stand the thing. Always going through batteries. Have to tap it every once in a while to get the light to work. Things that I would never have to deal with this one. And I personally am a fan of rechargeable batteries. You know, that you can just recharge or have a spare recharge. So swap one out for another and keep on going and know that's going to work. So pay a little more, but get a really good product. But anyway, guys, yeah, there it is. So if you guys end up purchasing something like this, I think you guys will be real happy out there with it. But either way, like, subscribe to my channel, but I'll catch you later.